Find where the function is increasing or decreasing. Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 intervals, and we will write all of these in interval notation. We will not include where they change, increasing or decreasing, because, we really can't prove anything. So we'll write this in interval notation. We will begin by saying from -10 to -5, are we increasing or decreasing? Well, great question. Are you going up and to the right? No. Are you going down and to the right? No. Then you're doing neither. Neither increasing nor decreasing. Now from -5 till 0, and again, we won't include those numbers because, we really don't need to. From -5 to 0, we're going down and to the right. That's a decrease. So you are decreasing. From 0 to 6, we are going up and to the right. So we'll write out the interval 0 to 6 is up and to the right. That's an increase. And the way it looks is this is just going to go on forever. So we'll say from 6 on to positive infinity, not include 6 and definitely don't include infinity, we are decreasing. And that is that.